Hello, and welcome to the second part of this journey. This time, we start in Stavanger, and from there, the road leads us north toward Bergen. Along the way, there are ferry crossings, mountain roads, and of course, more of Norway's raw beauty. In this part of the trip, we'll also visit Geilo, stop by some incredible waterfalls, and finally make our way back to Oslo. The trip begins with 2 ferry rides along the E39 before arriving in the beautiful city of Bergen. First stop, the famous fish market. Then a boat tour around the harbor. And a walk through the historic old town, complete with its quirky trolls. And the weather? Absolutely perfect. Sunny, warm, and cloudless skies. Pretty unusual for Bergen, a city that's usually known for rain. In the evening, we head up to the rooftop terrace of the hotel and enjoy a 3-course dinner with an incredible view. The perfect way to end the day. Day 2 in Bergen begins with a ride up to the Ulriken. The cable car takes us to 600 meters above the city. Up here, there are hiking trails, wide open nature, and even a few sheep to keep us company. Back in Bergen, the next adventure starts right at the harbor. A boat tour past luxury yachts and massive cruise ships. So close you can almost reach out and touch them. And then, completely unexpected, an American truck convoy rolls right through the city. Music blasting, horns blaring, and trucks decorated in full festival style. For a moment, it feels like pure American flair in the middle of Norway.
Okay, bandits, come back to the sheriff.
From there, the road leads east toward Geilo, across countless bridges and through long tunnels. Between them, epic fjords. And of course, more drone flights.
Time to let it out. We've been hiding ourselves for too long now. Hear it calling loud. We are fearless. They try to keep us down, but we're shaping this world by our own rules. We're the underground, can't control us. We are outlaws breathing underwater. We're the wild ones crawling in the dark. Nothing can stop us when we unite, breaking the limits. This is our time. Unleash the renegade inside us. We're limitless.
And finally, a stop at the Voringsfossen waterfall. Here, a dramatic metal bridge spans the gorge. We cross it, explore the area, and take in the power of the falls. Then it's back on the road, with more aerial views of the changing landscape. Climbing higher, we reach around 1,000 meters above sea level. And here, in Geilo, awaits a cozy apartment in a ski resort. Fireplace, wooden interiors, and a whole house to relax. Time for a quick room tour before moving on.
Feels like I'm waiting, like I'm watching.
another stop for some spectacular drone shots, including one over an abandoned bridge. The journey continues past the Hønefoss waterfall. Finally, we arrive in Oslo. The evening is rainy, but the restaurant dinner makes up for it. And on the last day, it's time to explore the city by e-scooter, with a stop at the iconic Opera House. After 10 days on the road, the trip comes to an end. Back to the airport and back home. From the depths of the tunnels to the peaks above the fjords, this was Norway. A journey I'll never forget. Thanks for watching.